In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can make money online crypto mining. Now, the great part about this video is that one of these methods could actually earn you over $1,000 per day simply with crypto mining. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one of these methods where you can earn over $1,000 per day. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free unemployee handbook. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you all of the different ways that you can make money mining. Now, most people probably think that the only way they can make money mining is by getting their hands on a new RTX 3090, and those are way too expensive, but there are other options and potentially better alternatives to help you make some money. So let's go ahead and get into it. One of the first ways and potentially the easiest way to get into the mining industry is simply to get paid to talk about it. Now, as you can see here, I'm over on YouTube and I just typed in how to mine cryptocurrency. Very general, very basic term that most people are asking. But if we take a look here at this channel, it's called Mining Chamber, and they have over 166,000 subscribers, and they're teaching you how to make money with mining. They're talking about all of the different aspects of mining, and I'm sure you're wondering how much they're making. According to Social Blade, which is a website we use to estimate how much YouTube channels are making, it says that they're only making $1,900 per month. But I have a better guess. They're probably making closer to $4,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 per month simply talking about mining. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how I got to that estimation. If we take a look at the subscriber count, we take a look at the views that they have, they're getting thousands of views talking about mining. And we know that mining is extremely popular and people are coming out and marketing on these mining videos. So making $10,000 per month with a YouTube channel is not out of the realm of possibility. If we take a look at their oldest video here, we're going to switch to most popular. This is the most popular video, over 1.2 million views. But if we switch to oldest video, this is a better indicator here. You can see that they're only 2 years old. They started talking about mining just 2 years ago, and they're talking about the different aspects. So builds, what type to mine, all of that good stuff. And so this has a potential to be very powerful, and it's really easy to get started. What you can do is take a look at popular channels and talk about what they're talking about. You can also go up and do a little bit of keyword research and type in something like how to mine, and then just talk about the different types of cryptocurrency. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, there's all sorts of stuff. Or how to mine cryptocurrency on an Android. That's a question that a lot of people want to know. Maybe they don't have a PC, but as you can see here, people are asking all sorts of questions. Now, how to mine cryptocurrency on Android phone, that top result, 1.3 million views from just 6 months ago, 612,000 views from 9 months ago. You can see there's tons of opportunity here to show people how to mine. And this is almost evergreen content simply because how-to videos usually have a little bit longer staying power. But number one is simply creating a YouTube channel and teaching people how to mine cryptocurrency. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to, but this is a good way to get up and running. Another way to make money with mining is simply with affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, you are recommending or selling other people's products and services. Now, NiceHash has an affiliate program, so you could start a YouTube channel and recommend NiceHash if people want to mine with their PC. You can make money anytime someone signs up using your affiliate link. But the cool thing is you don't just have to use NiceHash. You could use Binance. That's huge for cryptocurrency. If we look at this here, that's huge for cryptocurrency. Also, if you're teaching people how to build mining rigs, you could be an affiliate for Amazon products, obviously like the RTX 3060 or 3080, whatever is out there currently. You can also be an affiliate for Home Depot and Lowe's because of the mining racks and all of the different pieces that are required. You could be an affiliate for Newegg. There's a lot of opportunity with affiliate marketing, and your vehicle would be creating YouTube videos to show people how to mine. So if we go back up here, how to mine cryptocurrency, you could be an affiliate for NiceHash or Binance or Coinbase, but you'd also make money recommending different lumber from Lowe's or Home Depot if they live in the United States. So the second one is with affiliate marketing. Yes, the second one is with affiliate marketing. The next one you can make money is by starting a blog. Now, this is going to be really competitive, and I only recommend starting a blog if you have a YouTube channel to go with it. But I just typed in how to mine Ethereum step-by-step guide, And this blog post was created by businessinsider.com, a large blog, but you could start blogging. What you'd want to do is niche down and talk about maybe some of the altcoins that are out there and talk about different use cases, but you could start a blog and make money in a few different ways. This blog post is making money with ads. So I have partnered with Google AdSense, and anytime someone sees these ads and clicks on them, you can make money that way. You can also make money with affiliate marketing. So including your affiliate links to Binance or NiceHash or Lowe's or Home Depot in your blog post, you can make money. So there's a bunch of different ways to make money within your blog, but starting a blog is another opportunity. Another cool opportunity to make money, and this is a way where you can make $1,200 per day, is actually creating and selling mining rigs. Now, if you are one of these people that have created a bot that scoops up all of these different mining rigs, or the GPUs as soon as they become available, the graphics cards as soon as they become available, you could build these out and sell them to people. As you can see, there's $1,200, almost $4,000 for simple mining rigs that don't take a ton of time to put together if you know what you're doing. But you can see here, if you can get your hands on some graphics cards, if you know a guy that knows a guy and they know a girl, you could potentially make money. So this is a cool opportunity. You just buy all the pieces and set it up, and then you'd have to actually ship them out, which could be the hardest part is shipping these out, and you can actually do this on the side and make very good money. Now, the interesting thing with this is this reminds me of the old adage about people that are mining for gold. The people that made money digging for gold or mining for gold were the people that sold the shovels, and you're going to be the shovel seller in this instance and not the actual digger yourself. But you could actually build out these different mining rigs, sell them right on Etsy. The cool thing about this process is you don't need to show your face at all. Obviously, you don't need to create content. You just get your hands on the parts, build it out, ship it, sell it, and you can make money. The last way that you can make money here today is actually creating a course teaching people how to mine. You can either use something like Udemy, or you could actually create your own course and sell it on your own and make even more money. But as you can see here, this top result here, build a cryptocurrency mining business for beginners. It says $84, but most of these courses go for $9.99. But if we click on it, you can see there are over 899 students. And if we did $9.99 times $8.99, if we can find the calculator like that, $8.99 times $9.99, whoops. If we do $8.99 times $9.99, we're looking at almost $9,000 just teaching people how to start a crypto mining business. Now, in all transparency, with Udemy, most likely the creator of this course probably made about almost $4,500, but that's still a good amount of money. This is an hour-and-a-half course, so for an hour and a half worth of work, they've made about $4,500 simply teaching people how to mine. Now, what they could do is they could start with a top level, how to start a mining business for beginners, and then branch out to the different types of cryptocurrency, and then just make enough changes so that it's a brand new video. But let's recap real quick. One of my favorite ways is with a YouTube channel. There's multiple ways that you can make money within YouTube. You can sell your Udemy course. You could sell crypto mining rigs, affiliate marketing, the YouTube partner program. You can sell your own digital or physical products. You can even start a Patreon if you wanted to. You can make money with affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you can make money in all sorts of traffic sources with a Facebook group. So you could start a Facebook group about teaching people how to mine, and then say, hey, look, if you want to skip all the guesswork, get started with NiceHash. Or you can include a parts list, at the top of your Facebook group board and have people click on it and buy the products. If you have a bot that makes your life a little bit easier. You can also make money with a blog. That's going to be kind of challenging. I would recommend going the YouTube route over starting a blog, but that's an option. If you can get your hands on parts, you can actually build a crypto mining rig. And I just typed in crypto mining, but if we hit the spacebar here, there could be other options as well. But you can see that this is another way to make money. And then finally, you could actually build out a course. And right now there are over 1,500 courses available. So there are tons of people making money, teaching people how to build a mining rig and start a mining business. Now that you know all of the different ways that you can make money with mining, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free unemployee handbook. That unemployee handbook will teach you how to start an online business and make money. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.